Listed among the causes of airline crashes. November 1996. A startled tourist captures the scene as a hijacked
engine sputters. The pilot of the four-person aircraft struggles to maintain altitude. 50 yards from the shore.
Okay, now hold it, hold it, hold it. Get it as slow as you can. Slow it down, nice and slow, right down the center line. This is picture perfect.
Wow,
picture
really
perfect.
That is beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful job.
Remarkable.
Beautiful job. You
wow,
know,
that's incredible
some, you know
piloting.
That's some hull damage. I bet those engines are not adversely impacted.
Because the props
because did you notice how I feathered those props? Those props stopped. And
wow.
if they had been spinning, it would have spun those PT6 engines.
This is Case Blocker.
500 metros de la avioneta grabó el despegue. Pero en segundos la aeronave se salió del que parecía ser su curso. Como si fuera empujada por fuerzas descomunales, voló sin control y cayó muy cerca de una escuela vacía.
puta!
Y en un instante explotó.
Ramstein Air Force Base, Germany. It's one of the most exciting air shows in all of Europe. A squadron of 10 Italian military jets dazzles the crowd of 300,000 people. Preparing for the final routine of the day, planes break off into two separate formations, with one jet flying solo. The pilots are attempting a maneuver called the piercing heart. The stunt calls for the planes to rocket toward each other at 350 miles per hour and crisscross only a few feet apart. But suddenly, disaster strikes. Three of the planes collide in midair. take another look at this horrifying moment. The plane that had been flying on its own clips another. And then slams into a third jet. All three aircraft crash into the ground.
This pilot's approach was just too steep and the pullout just too late. Mark left CNN reporting.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stay in your bleachers. Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your bleachers.
The plane skidded 1,000 yards past spectators in the bleachers and disintegrated.
I thought he was taxiing awful fast. Didn't you? Huh?
What you've just witnessed is a rare occurrence, but unforgettable for those who survive it. As this single-seat FA-18 Hornet traps, the arresting cable stretches to the breaking point. When it breaks, the plane quickly disappears over the side and into the water. Training saves the pilot, who ejects immediately. This yellow shirt miraculously jumps the cable as it whips under him, not once, but twice.
Aircraft manufacturers have tried to fix that problem by designing the pilot out of the cockpit. This is the first fully automated plane, flown by a computer.
Oh no, oh no.
Aircraft appears strained at best and unwilling at worst. Whatever the cause, this was the result.